best natural cough remedies. Cough, a very common problem that can affect anyone, can be treated with conventional cough medicines. However, they often contain cough suppressants. There are several types of coughs, and remedies vary according to where the problem is. A dry cough is often caused by a sore throat, and a tickly cough results from a dry throat. The most common cough remedies are essential oils and herbal remedies. Herbal cough syrups or pills can be used to reduce the severity of this problem. Here are some natural ways to treat your cough. Consuming stewed or raw onions is a common home remedy for cough as it helps to get relief from chest congestion and cough. You can also take 4 to 5 teaspoons of onion syrup to reduce the frequency of cough. However, prepare fresh syrup and drink. Try to drink lukewarm water or lots of fluids, which will give a soothing and warming effect. Cut the lemon into two halves and add some salt and black pepper powder. Now suck the lemon, which will help to reduce the intensity of the cough. Consuming wood apple also helps in reducing cough. Consuming the wood apple juice helps in removing mucus from the trachea. Consuming cabbage, bitter gourd, spinach, guava, turnip, and cucumber will help in boosting your immune system. Try to use garlic for your dinner at least twice a week, which will help prevent cough and cold. Eating grapes can help in toning the lungs, healing your respiratory system, and can reduce coughing to a large extent. Try to avoid refrigerated foods, fried fruits, and cold water, which could aggravate the condition. Lemon and honey cough medication. You can give this cough remedy to even children. Add 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice along with half a teaspoon of honey and consume it. If you are above the age of 14, you can consume 1 or 2 tablespoons without worrying about the adverse side effects. It will help provide relief from severe cough, and it is very easy to make it from the comfort of your home. Herbal tea. Make a herbal tea by mixing lemon, honey, and grated ginger along with tea leaves. Boil it and keep it in a flask. Consume 4 tablespoons. This will give immediate relief from coughing. Essential oils like eucalyptus, peppermint, black pepper, lavender can get into the mucous membrane of the lungs and help provide relief from coughs. Add 2 to 4 drops of oil into hot water and try to breathe slowly.